Inside the blue line now, rinsing it along the board. Chillinghurst is waiting here, number 8, but it goes the other direction. So the Bobcats behind. Send a shot and a goal. Oh, they ball side and snap one off from the smallest and narrowest of angles, but a precision like wrister. And they caught Newell trying to move maybe a little bit too much from the left to the right. Their end of the ice and ahead on the near side. Trying to drop half wall. Abercrombie's there, and now here comes Brown. Brown works his way, explodes, goal, scored. Oh, what a nice goal, all with one hand. Second goal of the game to Brown, and that one was just as impressive as the first one. That time he had a defender on his hip. Still managed to go top shelf and beat the goalie. Bringing it behind, and now a loose puck picked up, 2-on-1. A chance here for the Bobcats. Here's Brown for the hat trick. He's got it. Put it with the peanut butter. Top shelf. And Josh Brown has the hat trick. And the Bobcats reclaim a 2-goal lead, 3-1 with 4:18 to go.
Nice on the net. Oh, Josh. Nice keep. On the net, on the net. On the net. On the net. Yes! Yes!
With a shot into the leg pad. This one bounces off to the side wall. Kruger on the point. Brown, forehand. Bar down, Brown. Ties the game. What a beautiful goal. Brown actually posted in the end, but it tipped off the post, jumped up, then hit the crossbar, then dropped down. So bar down Brown ties this game 1-1. 3:05 to remain.
This one will be swiped away by the Bobcats, helping the goaltender out, trailing by a pair. And it's a shot, score! Oh, it's a giveaway out front. And what can Brown do for you? He can get you a goal, and they trail by 1. A giveaway at point blank. Wawa. Well, we're going to recap the goals now. Campbell gets 2, Basilak gets a goal, and then the third period, Couchet and Brown. And we have a 3-2 game score. This is going to be an interesting last 15:46.
Get to the net, Josh. Oh, nice goal. What a pass. 95 Josh Brown scores on a power play. Take a 3-2 lead.
it towards the slot. Passed on backwards from the poke check. Getting up and picked on up now by the Bobcats. Netzel. Cross ice to Brown. He's lined up with Botterill. Botterill takes it on the right wing. Botterill back to Brown. Brown dances into the slot. Brown shot scored! Josh Brown with a snug job wins it for the Arizona Bobcats and keeps a 4-game winning streak now alive.
Once again, the Bobcats on the move. Puck dumped into the right of goaltender Darius Bell. Back fighting for it. Players from both teams now behind the Shattuck St. Mary's goal. First man to it. Tried to fire it back and all the way around, but it's stolen there by Brown. Shot on goal. Brown at the doorstep. And the rebound goal. With 26.5 seconds left to go. Bobcats in. And personnel changes and a shot on goal at the other end goes off the post and in for the Arizona Bobcats. .12:55 left here in the opening period.
4 seconds left. We can get a break out of the box here if we hurry. Go, Josh, go. You got him coming out of the box. Well, we knew he was up there. Yeah, you knew he was there.
Get in the play. Help him out.
Go get it, Josh. Walk in, walk in. Nice, nice. What a nice shot. On the net. Whoa!
Josh and Jared are clicking.
Yeah, they are. Old school right here.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You said it. They are cooking.
They're finding each other pretty well.
Just like old school.
I like that.
Reschner and Brown back together again. We're putting the band back together. 3-0 for Bobcats on a goal pass from Reschner to Brown with the tip in front of the net. Oh! Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That away, Josh. Oh! What a pass. Look at this movement. Oh, nice stop. Let's go. Keep it going.
Nice move. Look at that.
Walk in, Josh. Woo! Oh, high heat. He's open in front. Oh! On the net. Nice tip. Nice, Josh.
There you go.
Gets another one.
So glad he waited until I got here.
Josh Brown, 95, with a goal on the power play. His second power play goal. That's